Updating your list of stations. This video will show you how to update stations for orders, estimates, service tickets, and time clock options. What we will cover is how to rename an existing station, add a new station, and inactivate a station inside the control program. Now let's take a look at how we would do that inside Sirius Control. From the menu bar heading at the top, what we would do is select Setup, System Setup, and in the tree on the left hand side of the window you will see an option for Production. The subcategory Stations, select that, and then we get a list of all the existing stations that come standard with the Sirius Control application. Now one thing to note is there is a bar that will collapse the window to the left, giving you more viewing area. Let's take a look at some of the time clock statuses. Now the ones existing are out to lunch, doctor's appointment, other, and so on. Let's say we wanted to rename one of the existing stations in the system. What we would do is select the appropriate station, and located on the right hand side you will see an Edit button. Select the Edit button and then rename the station to your appropriate name. After completing the name, then select the Save button. That will now update or rename the existing station already in the system. Adding a new station is pretty simple. We would then click on the New option located on the right hand side of the screen. Select New, and then of course give it a new name. Select the appropriate category of which it would fall under, and then select which options it would apply to for the order, service ticket, or is it used for estimates. In this case, the one that's in production design would only be used for jobs that are in the work in process category. But if we were looking at ones for estimates, we could select the appropriate estimate option. If we were looking at the line item options, we can select the line item options, and then of course the time clock options. In this case, we're just going to select the one specific to work in process and then save. We now have a new save station which we can use throughout the program. The next topic we will cover is how to inactivate a station. Let's say there's an existing station in the system that we would like to remove. For example, closed. If we would like to inactivate this particular station, we could go over to the Edit option, select the option that says Activate, then Save. This will inactivate the station, which you could come back and turn on for future use, but in this case it would not show up when selecting stations throughout the program. This is our conclusion of how to add a station inside Sirius program, and now you should be able to rename, add, and activate and inactivate stations.